Previously on Slime Ranger. We will see about that. Oh, there, we got one. Oh no, oh no. There's a lot of those, and I don't have any water. No, oh my god, no. Let's start to bring some other types of slime. I just need your plot. Okay. Can you... Yeah, okay, there you go. That is also... Oh, no, don't. Oh my god. Oh, there's a top. No. And give me... Okay, I don't know. Hello? That little... Yeah. Just one little cutie pie. And there isn't anyone else. Okay, there's a tower, please. Yeah, there's a tower. Oh! I don't know how many biggies or largos you should have at once, but I'm going to have 2. So this is actually pretty good for natural selection, or to make sure that there isn't so many at one place that is going to be overcrowded. Oh, there's a bunch of you in here. I didn't need you. Avert your eyes if you are sensitive.
All around me are familiar faces.
Okay, let's look. I'm working on a new recipe. Help me out. Yeah, sure. Okay, so we could actually just get rid of these. I wouldn't look.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places.
And let's get higher walls, and then yes. Oh, there are a lot of... Oh shit. There are a lot of money with. I was about to buy the wrong thing. Why does it look so cute? That looks very... And I could put water from it. Okay, so I need this one. Thankfully I can... Oh, cute berries are like the cutest. Oh, that's so cute. Then I can get odd onions. I have some up here that are growing. We can get some to the big fella, smart fella, or the fart smeller. What? It only has like 3? Oh, can I upgrade it? Yeah, additional storage, I guess. Okay. When are you growing? Don't touch those stairs, those are mine. What? Oh my god. Goodbye, pink slimies. Oh, stony hen! Nice! And a pocket fruit. Okay, there should be enough for that little bastard in there. Stony hen. Oh my god, you're still hungry? I have come to collect smallness. Yes, there is a smallness. They're so cute, they're just eating water. Where are you, smart fella? Is he a smart fella or a fart smeller? He's probably nothing of that. Do slimes fart? I know they poop, but do they fight? Oh, there's blood. Oh, and there's heartbeats, whatever they're called. That is his favorite. Okay, hopefully this is enough. Okay. Yeah, it is. Okay, and let me get rid of you first and foremost. Oh, a lovely ornament. Like, I don't have already, like, tons of those. Give me, nothing of value. You can even... Yeah, it looks good. And do we have any ochres? Yeah, we do. Oh! I forgot, oh my god, I have placed some ochres in the silo. Or odd onions, not ochres. Okay. There's a lot of different some. Here you go, a little bit of food. We turn this one on. And it's gonna get blood. Nicey. Oh. Oh my god, it's dropped so much. What? Isn't that even anything? No, there's not anything that's going into plus. Everything is going downhill. Oh my god, inflation. Hit the market. I can make this one fully automatic. I get more storage. I don't really need any storage. You're gonna make this one. Oh no, I'm going to get the jetpack. Haha. And I even can get. Stop hurting me. I am your parent. What? Why was there a cat sound? Oh, it's because these are cats. Yeah, look at that. So cool. And this treasure pot is locked. There's a thing. Oh, Q-berries. Okay. My mission is finished here. Okay, we got another friend to the farm. We got okay, and we got stony hand. And we got shit. It's quicker than running, so that's something. Yeah. Puddle. There you go. Okay. Gonna go in there. Oh my god, that's so much more than I ever has anticipated.